Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I will show you how to add snow effect to Shopify store for absolutely free. Now, before we get started, make sure to click the first link down below if you want to get a 3-month free trial on your Shopify store so that you can finally start your e-commerce journey for absolutely free for 3 months or even more. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go to your app store and you want to visit the Mega Seasonal Holiday Effects application. Now go to your app store and just go and search for this particular app. Now this app has a rating of 0 and it's free and it does not have any reviews because it's such a new app. Now, obviously you have other apps which are not free. As you can see, we have Hura, which is an app that has a free plan available where you can go and where you can add snow, as you can see, to the Shopify store. However, this is a paid application, but it also has a free plan available. So what I would recommend to you is either go with Mega Seasonal Holiday Effects or Hura. You also have Nice Snow if you want a really great app for like $2 a month for just the holiday season. You can get this app as well, which has a 1-day free trial, just so you can see how this would look like on your website. As you can see, it looks very awesome. You can also change a lot of different things, but this is paid app. So you have a paid app, you have free app, and then you have completely free app right here. Obviously, I would go with this Mega Seasonal Holiday Effects app. As you can see, it's very simple. You have a lot of different things that you can add. Obviously, you can check out the video. But as you can see, it's very simple. You just click install. After you install, you will be able to adjust everything in your Shopify backend. And that's pretty much it, right? If you have any issues while installing this, you can make sure to comment down below and I'll help you out. However, also if you want, you can get a 3-month free trial with our link down below in the description. And yeah, you will be able to get Shopify for 3 months or more for absolutely free. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next Shopify tutorial video.